Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to prep and store veggies or spices, giving them longer shelf life. I like having warm water with lemon in the morning. To skip the hassle of cutting lemons every day, I pre-cut them to the size I want them in my water and store them in my mason jar. Whenever I'm thirsty, I just have to grab my sliced lemon and squeeze it in my warm water with honey. The foods I cook usually have onion. It's a Filipino thing. So for me to avoid crying every time I cook, I slice onions that's good for the whole week and store them in my fridge. This time we are doing carrots and celery. These easy steps will give your carrots 2 months shelf life in the fridge and your celery 2 weeks shelf life. I personally like carrots and celery because they are crunchy, full of flavor, and especially tasty when dipped in hummus. Clean your veggies properly and steam them if necessary. Change the water every 3 to 5 days to keep it fresh. Now you never have to worry about spoiled vegetables. With carrots, I put salt in it and just water with celery. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to make hummus the easiest and the healthiest way. If you find my tips useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.